Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share with you guys a few projects that I have created using this super cute Doodlebug French Kiss collection. I believe I got this collection from Urban Gems online a few weeks back, so I was super excited because I love the colors in here. I love the colors, super cute. So I wanted to use up some dies with this collection. So I've accumulated a lot of dies from AliExpress as well as all of you guys. And I told myself also this year I'm going to start trying to use those dies and make projects. So, and I also have a lot of swaps, so that's perfect. I can use the dies, use my paper pads up, and use them for some projects. So I'm going to show you guys the die and then I'll show you what I made with them. So all of it was using this paper pad here. So the first one that I created is using this die. And if I can find all the links, I will link it down below so that you guys can check out the store that I purchased it from. So this is the die that I use, and I believe am almost sure that all of these are from Kscraft, but I will double check. So there's this die here, and what it is it makes a box, and that is what it looks like. So it has the window cut out here, and I just put some, what do you call that? Acetate paper? Acetate paper, yes. So I used it as the window, and I think it came out so super cute. And all I did to dress it up was I put some different sequins inside the window, and then I just added a AliExpress bow here. So that is project number one using this die here. And it's so funny because there's just so much dies, but the project itself is like small. So there's that one here. And then the next one is using this bow bag topper here. I love this die. It's super cute. So I used this, and I made this little Hello Kitty topper here. And all I did was I just packaged up some beads, some clear blue and pink beads that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I seen them once, and then I tried to go back so I can get some more to gift, and they were all gone. So I'm glad I was able to find these. So this is the back of the bow, and then that is the front of the bow, and I just added my little Hello Kitty flat back here. And look at how cute. You don't even have to dress it up too much, because either way it's so darling, and I love it. So there's that using the same paper line. And then the next one, I used two dies. So the first die, I used this to make the box. And then for the embellishment on top of it, I used this little, it's like a heart, I'm having a brain fart. What do you guys say it's called? Air balloon. There you go. It's a heart air balloon. And this one came out super cute. This is the box that I made. So here is the actual die of the air balloon. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? So I made it dimensional. And this is the paper line. I added some stickers from the paper. This is a sticker, that's a sticker. And then I just added some flat backs here. Some white ones that I got from downtown LA. And this is what the box looks like. I used the 110-pound weight paper for the box, just so that it can keep sturdy. And then when you open it up, I just have some packaged Valentine beads in here. You can put anything in here. This reminds me of like a crayon box. So basically, that is what that looks like. And then this next project, I did not use a die for it. I followed one of Christian's videos where she made these, I believe it's an 8x8 box. And She does like these tutorials every Friday nights. And I thought it was a cute way to use up paper, you guys, and a cute way to use up all those foam stickers that we have, and a cute way to just kind of make like a gift box. So I will link the video down below so you guys can go follow it. And it came out super, super cute. And you guys can put anything in this box. So this is my box here. And I use 2 different papers. I use this floral paper, and this is, you guys, the same collection. Just show you guys. And it is double-sided, so this is what it looks like inside, and that is just what it looks like on the outside. It's like polka dots. And I put shred at the bottom of here. And these are all of the different Valentine foam stickers, glitter stickers, heart stickers, any type of stickers in here to gift. And I thought this was a super cute idea. Look at you guys. Look at the little gnomes. This is the ones that I got from Hobby Lobby. So that is what's inside here. And you don't want to, unless I didn't use, this paper here is not super thick. And it probably would hold better if you had the heavier duty cardstock or the 110-pound Recollection. I think it's Recollection from Michaels. But see, it's kind of flimsy. So I would suggest using like a heavier weight paper. But either way, it turned out super cute. Everything in here is light. So it's perfect for this paper. And then I'm going to go over the top with you. So this is the paper from the French Kiss collection. This is the paper that's in the inside. And I just embellished the front. These scallop borders here are part of the collection. These little stickers, I tried to use everything that was in the collection. These little stickers here are all from the French Kiss collection. And this little tab here is as well. This, and then I just made another one of these air balloons, heart air balloons here, and just added it to the box. And this was super easy and fun to make. So again, I will link her video down below so you guys can go check it out. I thought it turned out super cute. And then these are the projects that I made using my AliExpress dies, and I will try to link all the videos or all the links below where I purchased this from. And then also, I will also link down below Tara's Urban Gems website, because I think she still has these. So I'm going to go ahead and link that one as well, just in case you guys want to go check it out. She has paper, dies, Nuvo drops. She has it all. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks to all my new subscribers. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.